Okay, right. Well, last week on the 28th of April, I posted on my LinkedIn page and also on my Follow Me page that I thought EURCAD was moving lower. And if we look at the reasons why I thought that, it was because we'd had news out of the Bank of Canada, very CAD positive, which caused this immediate spike down here. Price did bounce around about for the next couple of days, but I felt sure that overall the bears were in control of this market. And when we reached this level here, which is WS1 support, the price was either going to be supported by this level, and there's more support here. But if it failed to move higher from here, then we would see a move much lower. Now, for 2 days, you can see the bears have tried to push the price higher, the bulls have rejected, but the bulls have failed to push the price any higher than the 200 MA. And what you tend to get in a situation like this is that because the momentum is basically south, eventually the bulls will give up, leave the market and push the price south. So I placed a short trade at WS1 or just below it, and if we look at the chart, that's the area we're just looking at before, and as you can see the price did in fact move much lower, and we've now hit this level, another support level here. Now I've taken 350 pips out of this trade. As you can see here, it's done very well. The question is, do we keep the trade open or do we close? Now, we do have a rising trend line here, and it looks as if the price could well make its way down here, and indicates the stock indicator and the RSI are both showing downward momentum. However, it is likely that the bulls will enter the market here and drive the price higher. So what I'm going to do is, because we've got, if you look on this on the M15 time frame, we've now got a series of candles which are essentially doji candles. These are doji reversal candles. So I'm going to set my I'm going to put stops on all these trades now, and I'm going to put the stop just above these candles. So we've got that one, that one, that one. We go back to the 15 and we've got this one here. So if we now just slide these down to above where these candles are moving, well, they're moving sideways so far, so that's set. So if the price moves any further north, then all these trades will close, all at profit. But if they move, if we can squeeze some more pips out of the market, all well and good, and hopefully we can get some, we can see price move down to this point here on the rising trend line. So that's it on this trade. That's what you do. This is how all part of how to manage a winning trade. More later. All the indicators that I use to trade, including my RKD Disciplindicator, which is what you're seeing here, are free. I'm going to give them all away. All the indicators that I use, plus my manual on how I trade, and all these are absolutely free. All you have to do is leave your email address in the comments below, like the video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll send you a copy of all these indicators. This indicator alone, my RKD Discipline Indicator, I have sold in the past for around about £95. Just to run through how useful this indicator is, you can set up to 30 different charts, and it supports gold and other commodities, and it gives you a snapshot of the price. Rather than going through each currency pair, you can just check out the state of the market at a glance. So here we have the symbols that you're using, the current price, the proximity to various pivot levels, WS2, WS1, WPP, WR1, WR2, the proximity and to today's open, the proximity to yesterday's high, to yesterday's low, also how far price is away from the 200 MA. This can be the 200 EMA or the SMA depending on your trading preference, and it also gives you a snapshot of the current RSI readings. So what this matrix does, it will flag up a star. If we get a colour change, we get a star, and if you get a 3 or a 4-star colour change, then we will look at the price to see whether there is a trade there or not. Right. Also, Hypertech. Now, Hypertech are the world's largest, strongest, most diverse blockchain company on the planet. They consist of 5 now, separate companies, 2 of which are listed on the ASX. So this is a stock market listed opportunity. They have launched Hyperfund. Hyperfund will be listed on the Hang Seng at the end of 2022, and they are looking for members. Right now, membership of this group is extremely beneficial. Apart from the advantages of being granted share rights, the entire group is, well, you have to read my go to my website to read all about what Hypertech are and exactly what they do. This group is just enormous. They own, for example, they own 3% of Binance, one of the world's largest crypto exchanges. They also own one of the big 4 Chinese mines that produce 60% of all Bitcoin produced in the world. The list is endless. It's all on their website, and as I say, they are looking for members. And if you join Hypertech, they will reward you for being a member. What they're looking for, essentially, Ryan Zhu, who is the CEO and founder of Hypertech, he wants to spread the word about cryptocurrency, and he wants members. He wants 30 million members to spread the word on cryptocurrency. So an investment with Hyperfund is returned at 3 times its value. So send them $3,000, send them $1,000, they will send you back $3,000. Send them $300, they will send you back $900. They don't send it back straight away, of course. It's sent back over a certain period of time. But you can, in fact, add to your deposit. Once you deposit, you can do a rebuy. Every time you have $50 in your account, you can do a rebuy, and a $300 investment after 21 months is returned at $6,100. So check it out. The links are all below. Do not miss this opportunity. It's truly a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity that will probably be gone by the end of 2022. So take advantage of this and seriously consider becoming a member of Hyperfund.